What's up, guys? So today's video is going to be a little DIY, little do-it-yourself on how to install a short shifter. So I got this short shifter off Amazon. It was super cheap. Figured I'd give it a little try. So basically what you want to do is you want to remove the center console. Okay, I already got it removed. I didn't record that part. Let me show you basically what you got to do. So you have a screw right here. Okay, first you're gonna remove the back piece. So you're gonna remove the boot off the handbrake, and then you're gonna have one little 10mm bolt right here, or nut. Take that out. This piece pretty much comes out with it, slides out. Once you remove that, you just remove this one. My car didn't have it. Sometimes it'll have a little 10mm bolt right here. Okay, just depends. My car was already stripped before I did anything, so it didn't have those bolts. And then it's gonna have one clip on each corner on the sides. So let me show you. So basically this is the center console. It's gonna have a bolt, a little clip right here on both sides. Mine didn't have it, but if yours is a complete car, it will have it. So yeah, you just want to pop these out, and then that nut, and then it should come out. Well, obviously you're gonna want to disconnect your your window switches, this switch, and then the cigarette lighter. Oh, look who's here. Bucket boys. You need to remove this boot. So by watching the video, it looks like they just pull on it. A second. You're just gonna kind of pry it out. By watching videos, I realized most of people's boots are kind of worn out. This one seems to be in really good condition, so it's a little hard to take out, but once you pull a little piece out, you can just start kind of pulling it up. So once you have that pretty much loose, just go ahead and pull it up. Let me see if I can set the phone here somewhere. There is a wire that's running through there, so just be careful with that. I'm not sure where it goes to, but it looks like it goes beneath the car. So I'm just gonna yank this up. Okay, looks like it might have ripped a little bit. It's okay. So there's a wire that I was talking about. So just go ahead and push it out of the way, kinda. Man, this thing is dirty. Let me grab a quick rag. From watching videos, I know that there's a clip down there. You're supposed to be able to push it out with a flat screwdriver, so we're gonna try that right now. There's a flat screwdriver. Alright, so there's the pin. Just gonna go ahead and push down there right there. See what? Looks like something's happening. I'm not sure what, but we're just gonna keep doing that. Looks like it seems to be working. And looks like it's off. Looks like it fell right there. You guys see it? Okay, so it fell down there. We'll get it once we get under the car. So next there should be the shift linkage right here. So apparently, you see that bar right there? It has a little tube that goes through it. So it's gonna go ahead, so you can push it out. Boom, and there it goes. Fell right out. Alright, so we're at Mountain House Raceway. Closed down about 10 years ago. Gonna scope it out. Let our cars out. Turn this. Just kind of wedge it in there. And try to turn it clockwise. Hopefully this thing doesn't break. It comes right out. There's your shifter. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and grab the aftermarket one now. Okay, came out entirely one piece, and here's the aftermarket one. You see it comes with some sort of pin. and there's the aftermarket one. So it looks like it's just about the same. Yeah, looks like the same. So we're gonna go ahead and install this bad boy right now. And I'm not sure which way it's supposed to be facing. Let's go ahead and put it this way. So now we're gonna go ahead into the car and reinstall that shifter linkage and put the pin back on. Okay. All right. So we're underneath the car. Here's the shift linkage. It's gonna go right through there. Here's the pin that fell down, and looks like this is just gonna go like that, right? Something like that. Has a little groove on the tip, so basically you're gonna push this in there right there. So we're gonna go ahead and pick this up, push it through the linkage. Just gotta go ahead and push this through. Let's see if I can hit it with something. Can you push it to your right? Hard? Here, hold on. Push. Push it. No, the other way. Push. Pull it towards the door. Yeah, pull. Okay. All right, we're gonna take it out. Phew. No, so we're gonna actually have to shave that down a little bit. What I had to do was grab some sandpaper. I don't have very thick sandpaper, but find the thickest sandpaper you can find and basically shave down the sides. That's what I had to do because I did read somewhere that these are universal for the E30, E36, and all those other BMWs. So they make them kind of not too perfect. That way they fit almost both vehicles. So that way you can adjust it to however you need it. So I shaved down both sides. Hopefully the pin fits through now. We'll go ahead and check it out. Go ahead and put this on before you put the linkage, because then, see, you can put it in through there and then actually put it on there. If not, it's a lot more complicated. So then just go ahead and put this on. I don't have the tools, the pliers I need to do this. The pliers that you need for this has like 2 little pins that go in those holes, and then you can spread it apart. So I'm gonna try to do it without it. Just be right back. All right, guys, so a little bit of advice: if you don't have the right tools, don't try it. This little thing has been a pain in the ass, so I'm actually gonna head out to O'Reilly's right now and get the actual tool for this. So catch you guys back here in a second. This is it. We have the right tools, we can get this motherfucker done. Let's go ahead and get this opened up and go back under that piece of shit. There we go. So as you can see, it came all the way out now. Just gonna go ahead and push in a little more. See if we can get the pin in there now. Okay, so here's the pin. Just gonna go ahead and put this little part inside the groove on the pin. Just like that. See, so now the linkage isn't going nowhere. So we're gonna put this boot back on now that it's in there. This big lip goes underneath the car. So just push it in there like that. There we go. Now it's on there. Once you got that on, we're gonna go ahead and install our center console. Can you give it to me? What you want to do is basically just reconnect your switches, pop them through there. That's the only nut that you have to install on this one particularly, and then the 2 clips on the side, on each side. Mine doesn't have that, but that's the only thing holding it on. So you just put that nut on there. It tightens this down. You grab this piece, has 2 slots right here, you slide it in there, and then you just install that nut right there that holds this in place, so now everything's nice and sturdy. And I don't have the stock boot, so I got this one at Walmart. Doesn't look too bad. But yeah, that's it. she's all installed. We're probably gonna go out for a little drive and see how it feels. Wet. All right, let's see. Damn, this thing is clunkier than the mother. Oh, was that supposed to have grease on it? These things are super short, super clunky. Maybe, I think I was probably supposed to put some type of grease in there because it feels extra clunky.
Hey, what's up? What's up?
Yeah,
What's
compared to stock, this is so much shorter.
No. So, testing out the short shifter.
Yes, sir.
Got everything installed. My boy driving. Let's give this thing a shot. See what
something in the car?
No, I just took it out.
The front one too?
What front one?
I think there's one in the front. But honestly, I like this feeling better.
Yeah, it's gonna be clunk no matter what, but you shouldn't really worry about it because I mean, you're gonna be banging gears anyway, so fuck it. But
damn, these things are fucking short.
yeah.
Don't mind my crooked ass steering wheel.
Yeah, just don't look at that.
A little bit of an install gone on there.
Yeah, but besides that, ignore that crack too. That don't matter. Race car life.
I'm in second gear right now.
How's it feel, bro?
I'm not sure. I'm still in second gear. Oh, I guess I'm going into first gear. You ready for me to go or what?
Go. Yeah, I'll just wait for him.
Alright, so right here we're gonna go all the way to third. Fourth? Damn.
Definitely seems to be running smooth. Running good. Gears going by good. Let's see, we got a nice little stretch of road right here. Oh yeah.
A little harder to put the gears in.
Oh yeah, that's a clunk for you, but
Until I get used to it, yeah. If you guys want to grease that up a little bit before you put it in there, maybe it'll help. Yeah, because right now it's super.
yeah, like I said, remember it's normal, but like I said, everything takes some time to get used to, you know?
See if I can find fit. Yep.
There you go. It's pretty good so far. Running smooth. Looking good.
Here we'll give it a little more gas here. That fifth is a little hard to find.
It always is, every car is. But so far, I mean, it seems pretty good.
Downshift.
Gears going smooth.
Actually, for downshifting, I feel like this is even better.
It is easier to find the gears. Find the gears a lot quicker now.
Honestly, yeah. It's actually, once you start getting used to it,
A1.
fucking mint. Oh yeah. This fucking thing, this motherfucker, but everything else.
Yeah, cause you know, whoever the fuck came up with this E30 shit is kind of retarded.
This is fucking solid. This is the shit.
What?
Not a bad way to spend 18 bucks. What's a Gusta do?
Not bad at all. What you want, cut? Tocando, cut, the what you want? Very successful short shifter install.
Oh yeah, this is the shit.
Fuck, 18 bucks, man.
Plus shipping, it was like $21 total, but it was Amazon Prime, so I got it within the next day.
Literally, what you spend at McDonald's is right here.
Yep.
So if y'all get one of these installed, leave it in the comments. See how it went for you guys. See if you guys like it. If you guys have the same clock, let us know. So if y'all need any help, let us know. Y'all can hit us up on Instagram if anything. probably be down in the description. Probably leave a link to the product too, because why not?
I mean, I'm not sponsored, but I'll leave a link to the. Although most people that are looking this up are probably trying to install one, so you probably already have the part. But if you're just doing some research before installing the part, I feel like this is a pretty good, solid video for you guys.
Yeah.
Overall, I mean, it's cheap. I didn't really check the quality of the stuff, but I mean, what the hell is there to check? It's just a metal fucking pipe.
Yeah.
Oh, that was second. But yeah, it feels fucking great. The gears are super short. It is a little clunky, but the gear's going smoothly. There's no, like, you know, it doesn't get locked out or anything. It doesn't pop out. Overall, I think a pretty solid product. I guess we'll have to see how it holds up over time, but as of right now, let's check it out. I'll go through the gears for you guys one more time. That's reverse. That's first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So it's super short. That's first, second, stupid fucking thing, third, fourth. So look at that, look at that. Third, fourth. Before it used to be like third, fourth.
Yeah. Pretty much you could eat a sandwich between these nigga shifts, but
Pretty much, so pretty solid
product.
solid part.
I think we'll give it a good, you know, like 8 out of 10 because it took us like a while to put it on because we're retarded. But
that stupid clamp.
yeah, honestly though, installation, as long as you have the tools, get yourself a needle nose plier, and honestly it's pretty simple. It'll take you like 30 minutes to an hour max.
Yep.
You know, but so far, I mean, I'm pretty impressed with it. Pretty sure bro is too. Everything was good, no pop-ups, nothing.
Solid part.
Yeah, let us know in the comments. See if you guys enjoyed yours, how it went for you guys. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comment section. All right, bro, we out.
All right.
Logging off, Pat.